Good day to you all, wherever you might be right now across the world. $100 weekly profit business plan is what I have to present to you today. How to make $100 weekly profit. Weekly profits, not monthly, not yearly, but on 7 days basis. So I'll be showing you the way whereby you can earn this whopping amount in a week. Start making money online now. So this is a method whereby you might have been waiting for in anticipation. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can achieve this on your own with your mobile device on weekly basis. But before I go further in this video, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. This channel is created to share with you my ideas on online investments. That is how you can earn money online, how you can generate residual income, passive income, how you can be financially free, secured, and settled. All right, so how to diversify your economy to have multiple sources of income. That is the main reason why this channel is created. And also I review online investment platform here, and I give you sincere recommendation. So if you are contemplating on joining any online investment platform, then feel free to send it to me, send a link to me so that I can check it out for you, I can review it for you based on some factors to be considered. Then I'm going to give you my recommendation before you eventually take your decision. So this channel is for financial education and not for financial advice. You can feel free to browse through the channel. There are several videos that has been done in the past on how you can make money online, and try to do your own due diligence research. And if you found it that it's worth giving a try, then you can start immediately, because it is one of the ways. These are a few ways whereby I make money online, and I'm so happy to share them with you here through this channel. All right, once again, what we are considering today is $100 weekly profit business plan. $100 weekly profit business plan, and this is achievable. I want to tell you that it is 100% achievable. So let me take you to my dashboard here. So I just want to do some few calculation before we move further. For instance, the business plan that I'm about to share with you, it give you up to 1.5%. You earn up to 1.5%, 1.5% of your trading capital on daily basis. So even $100 that I said is still under estimation. You can achieve more than that depending on the capital that you have. 1.5%. So let's assume you are having $2,000 as your trading capital. Then let's multiply it by 1.5% times 1.5%. So that is $30 daily. $30 daily. So times 7 days. Okay, let's say 5 days in a week times 5 days in a week. That is $150. So you are making $150 profit with a capital of $2,000, because you earn up to 1.5% daily profit on your capital with this business plan that I am about to share with you guys. All right, so if you are having $150 every week, so let's see how much you can earn in a month. That is 4 weeks makes a month. That is 150 times 4. So 150 times, so that is you are making whooping $600 in a month. $600 in a month. So that is what you can achieve on this business plan that I am sharing with you. And thousands of people around the world, they have been enjoying this business platform over and over again since their inception in last year. So you too, you can benefit from this. You just need to take the right decision. You just need to start now. You don't need to procrastinate again. Start now, because it is a tested and trusted platform whereby I personally am a living witness. So now let me show you my the platform. So is a trading company, is a broker. We trade forex. And you know, forex trading is one of the ways whereby you can make money online. But you can't just jump into forex because people are making money in it. There are certain factors that needs to be considered before you join it, and there are some techniques that it entails. So not forex is not made for is made for everybody, but not everybody can trade it successfully. So for that reason, artificial intelligence has been embedded into financial technology, whereby you can trade forex based on artificial intelligence. So it saves you your time, it saves you stress of reading the charts, studying the market direction, and so many other factors that needs to be considered to go into forex. So this is my trade for today. You can see this is my trade for today. Today's profit alone is 16.35. Let me show you the for that of last week. Let me show you for that of last week. So the profit for today alone is 16, and the week just starts. Okay, let me reload this. Let me reload this, please. Okay. All right. So the profit, as you can see, is 16.35 here. 16.35 here, and just for 3 trades, 5.89, 8.5, 1.95. I just deposited this. So if you have a system whereby it gives you 1.5% on your trade every day, I think it's really worth it. 1.5% is not too much. It's not too much. So, and they are not over promising you. And you can see that this is MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 is a platform, is a mobile platform which gives you access to forex trading. Unlike so many others investment platform online, they claims to be trading cryptocurrency, claims to be trading forex, claims to be trading so many other things, but there is no proof for it. But here you have a proof. The bot is there for you that trades forex on daily basis, provided you have all the requirements. You can see this is the result of today's trade alone. Today is the 14th day of February 2022, as you can see here. 14th 14th of February 2022. So that is today's date. So you can see that it is working effectively, and there is a proof for the forex trades that it's ongoing. There is a proof for that. So unlike so many other investment platforms that just fake that they are trading forex without any show for that. So you can see the profit for last week was $78.7 due to the capital that was there. So, and it was withdrawn successfully, and I can even show you the proof of the withdrawal. You can see that is how it trades. There is no record for any loss, no matter how small it is. No record for any loss, and you can see that it is very, very effective. There is no how you trade for it without a loss, but this bot shows that it's the artificial intelligence surpasses any human effort, and it trades without stress, without, let me say, 90% risk free. Let me say 90% risk free. You can see the result of a week trade, and which gives 78.70 US dollars, and which was withdrew. And I'm going to show you the proof of the withdrawal. Okay, so now let me take you to the broker, because before you can trade forex, you need to have a broker, a regulated one, in which your fund will be with and gives you access to forex market. So let me show you the broker here. So now the name of the broker that gives us this access to 1.5% daily on our trading capital is Intelligence Prime Capital. I don't know, maybe you've heard of it or you are still contemplating to join it. So let me pause this video so that I can log into my account to show you more other things there. All right. Okay, I have successfully logged into my dashboard on Intelligence Prime Capital. As you can see here, let's check the correlation. We have 1.165 here in the MetaTrader, in the Meta Trading Capital. 1.65 here, and let's see what I have here in my MT4 app as well. See, Just check the correlation. I have 1.165 here and also 1.165 here. So it shows that they are really trading forex because we have the proof on the MT4 trading app. So that is how it works. It works effectively. It works effectively, and thousands of people, they have been benefiting from this on daily basis. They have been benefiting from this on daily basis. And for you to get started, just check the description box of this video. There I'm going to show you, you are going to see the link to register for this Intelligence Prime Capital and some other information whereby you need to get started. All right, so and for you to, after you have successfully registered, you need to provide correct info. To hide anything, you don't need to lie about it, because your account will be verified. It will be verified, and during the verification process, you will be required to submit your proof of identification. So you just need to provide a valid and a correct information about yourself in the course of registration. So after that, after you have done with your verification, then you are going to subscribe to a particular robot. This is where the artificial intelligence comes in. So you are going to subscribe to this robot. We have three robots here. We have Brilliant Bot, we have Genius Bots, and we have Smart Bots. So the first one costs $39, approximately $40. The second costs approximately $100, while the last bot costs approximately $20. And in each of the bots, for the first one, you earn up to 30% on a monthly basis on your trading capital. And for the Genius Bot, you earn up to 45% on your trading capital in a month, and for the smart bot, you earn up to 15% profit on your trading capital. So, and this Genius bot gives the highest ROI of 45% on your trading capital. So, and this is what many people are going for. You can see the amounts invested in this. This is 25 million 184,000, sorry, 251 million 847,844 US dollars. And total number of people that has invested in this is 160,627. So many people goes for this because of the effectiveness. All right, so you can start with this, and if you are starting with this, that means that you are going to subscribe for you can, the subscription that is approximately $100. So for you to start, you need the minimum equity of $100. So, and for you to earn like $100 weekly profit that I said in the beginning of this video, then you need a capital of like $200. So when you are having a capital of $2,000 rather, you can earn more than 100% you can earn more than $100 weekly profit, according to the calculation that I did in the beginning of this video. You can see $2,000 times 1.5% times 5 days will give us $150. So let's assume you have $1,000, then you are earning 75% daily. And when you have $1,500, you are earning $112, $112.5 daily. All right, and after this, the another thing that you need to know is that there is a 20% withdrawal fee. There's a 20% withdrawal fee on this particular bot, which will be deducted from it. So it's not an hidden charge, but it is a requirement. So just need to know that about it, so that it won't so that you are going to know what you're going to experience in this. All right, so that is how you can go about it. IPC has made many people thousandaires in dollars, millionaires in dollars, and you too, you can explore this great privilege, you can explore this great opportunity to start making something online for yourself. And I personally am a living witness. So let me show you my last withdrawal. I withdrew $78. Sorry, I made profit of $70 last week, but I was given 63 because of the 20% dollars that I said will be deducted. So $60 was withdrawn. So okay, let me go back to my dashboard once again. So report, sorry, transaction account. So let's check the MT4 account. So $78 was withdrawn from the MT4 app, or $63 was credited because 20% has been deducted. And out of that 63 that was credited to my dashboard, whenever you are withdrawing to your external wallet, then there is a charge fee of $3. So, and after the end of the day, um I got $60, which I withdrew successfully to my Binance account here. So let me show you the withdrawal notification. Binance account, you can see, sorry, that is deposit notification. So that was on Saturday, 12th of February 2022. So I withdrew $60 from this platform, and I got it almost in a very short period of time. So there's no delay with the withdrawal. So this is one of the ways whereby I have been making money online for myself. And also, just check the description box of this video for the registration link and for any other information about this wonderful platform. All right, this is where I'm going to stop for today. Don't forget, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe, click on the notification bell, like this video, and share with your friends and family. So just check out to take your personal decision. And also, don't forget to join our Telegram channel, because I also share some financial educational content there on regular basis. All right, thanks so much for watching this video. And if you found that this video has given you some values, if truly it has blessed you, if truly it is meaningful, useful, and helpful to you, then don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family. Give it the widest publicity that you think it deserves, because this can be the opportunity that many people have been waiting for. All right, so waiting for financial freedom. Thanks so much once again. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. Meet me in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye for now.